Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your Wix website. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix homepage or directly to your site's login page. Look for the Log In or Sign In button, which is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Give that button a click to move forward to the next step, where you will enter your account details. Now it is time to enter your login credentials. In the first input box, carefully type your registered email address or your chosen username. Below that, you will find the password field. Enter your secure password here, making sure to type it precisely. Double-check both entries for any typos or errors, as even one incorrect character can prevent a successful login. Once you have entered both your email or username and your password, locate and click the Log In or Sign In button on the form. After a moment, you should be successfully redirected to your Wix dashboard or the site editor. This is your central hub, providing full access to manage all aspects of your website, from content updates to design adjustments and settings. If you encounter any difficulties logging in, do not worry. If you have forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password link, usually located near the Login button, to reset it. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable and your browser settings are not blocking the site. If issues persist after these steps, reaching out to Wix customer support is always a good option for personalized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.